We'll guide you through how to make a t-shirt in Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You could wear it yourself, or you could go and sell it. Come out of Roblox and open up a web browser. Could be Chrome or Safari, it doesn't matter. Tap the address bar, type in create.roblox.com. Go to the top right and press login. Then what you can do is sign in. Tap the 3 lines in the top left and you can press dashboard. Now you want to go and press avatar items at the top of creations. Scroll down here, come across and select classics. Where it says filters, make sure you select classic t-shirts. Scroll down and press upload asset and then press upload again. Choose where you want to go and get the image from. You can select it and go and press done. Scroll down and you can type in a name. Add the description and you can scroll down and press upload. Scroll down again, go and tap on it, and then you can scroll down and switch on for sale and type in the amount. But you can wear it without publishing it. You can return to Roblox and press avatar, press customize at the top. You can select clothing and scroll across and find the option for classic t-shirts. There it is there. It may take a moment to load and we can select it and wear it.